Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly get an extra Microsoft reward points, right? So I'm going to show you some of the things. So basically, if you just use Bing, then only you will get the Microsoft reward points, right? So even though if you don't use Bing, you can just get Microsoft reward points. How you can do it? So basically you have to just go to the Chrome Web Store, and on the search bar you have to type automate Bing, right? And here you will get this one, basically what you can say here, right? Automate your Bing searches, as you can see here. So if you're using any of the browser, don't worry, I'm just using it over my Brave. You can use it over your Google Chrome or Firefox, right? So I will just click on add to Brave. Now you will get a notification add extension, so just click on add extension here. So within a few seconds it will be added here, right? So just click on the square icon and make sure that it is pinned in your taskbar. So if I just click on it, right, as you can see a warning, so you have to accept the risk, because using automation tools goes against a user agreement with Microsoft Reward, right? That's happened. So make sure you just use it according to you and just click on start. And here if you click on start activities or start searches, as you can see here, you will be redirected to Microsoft Bing, and you will able to earn Microsoft reward points very easily. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. As you can see here, it is automatically, I'm doing nothing and automatically it's searching the web, right? So this is how you can just earn Microsoft reward points. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.